got her bow, ready to shine, ready to glow.
Putting time in balloon form. Please recommend clown action.
We're going to start by pumping up our ivory 260 balloon and then tying a knot. We're going to start by making a pinch twist, an 8cm bubble, and then another pinch twist. Then we're going to make another 8cm bubble back to the first pinch twist, and then another 8cm bubble back to the other pinch twist, and then another 8cm bubble to the other pinch twist, so as you see, we now have 4 8cm bubbles. And now what we're going to do is 2 3cm bubbles to make the feet, and we're going to tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. Now we're going to pump up our 260 brown balloon, just a little bit, and we're going to tie a knot. What we're going to do is we're going to make an apple twist. So to do that, you're going to push your finger from the nozzle side and grabbing the rest of the balloon with your other hand on the outside. Just like that, and then twisting it. And then we're going to cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot to secure the little apple twist. Push the little knot in to secure it, and make sure that the nozzle is sticking out. Now we're going to continue with our ivory balloon. So we're going to make a 3cm bubble, and then we're going to tie his little hat on. So just grab the brown balloon and just tie a little knot. And then another 3cm bubble, and we're going to tie it to the pinch twist on the other side. You can now cut off the rest of that balloon and tie a knot. To secure it, we're just going to grab the long tail and just stretch it to the other side and just give it a little twist. And to secure the beret, we're going to thread the tail through the back of the head. And just tying it around one of the pinch twists. And the twisting part is complete. Onto the drawing. We're going to grab a brown marker and we're going to draw in little circles for the eyes. And then a little heart-shaped nose. And then a little mouth. And your Balloon Pompompurin is complete.
We'll have a balloon pom-pom purin. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.